Portable power bank. (10,000 mAh). 2-in-1 portable power bank with detachable wall adapter. Strong magnets. Foldable AC plug with USB-C to charge your phone or any device. USB-C and USB ports. Charging via USB port takes a really long time to charge up my phone. USB-C is a bit faster, but not a huge difference between USB port. Charging says 5 hours, but I haven't really tried to drain the battery and test the charge time. Would I recommend it? Depends on what you need. If you just need a power bank and a wall charger, then why not? It does have a slight noise, but I'm not sure if it's a feature or a defect.
Alright.